Hi friends, welcome to Read Aloud with Amy. Today we are going to read The Fire Engine book. Ding, ding, ding goes the alarm. The firemen slide down the pole. Clang, clang, clang goes the fire engine bell. The chief is on his way. Here they come. Watch out! Make way for the hose car. Hurry, hurry! Jump on the hook and ladder truck. The people come running out to see. The great big hook and ladder truck. Here they are at the fire. The chief tells his man what to do. Quick, connect the hoses. Shh, goes the water. Crank, crank, up go the ladders. Up go the firemen with their hoses. Chop, chop, chop go the axes. Crash go the windows. Down the ladders come the firemen. They jump into the net to save things from the fire. Sput, 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 out goes the fire. Tired firemen and people go home. Hooray for the brave firemen! The end. If you like this video, please give it a like, share and subscribe to the channel. Have a great day. Goodbye.